Good morning. Today, February 10, 2026, brings major news from the world of medicine and business. Lupin Limited, India's pharmaceutical giant, has resolved a patent dispute with Japan's Astellas Pharma. This agreement lets Lupin keep selling its version of Mirabegron, a key medication, in the US. Mirabegron treats overactive bladder, a condition affecting millions. The settlement ends a legal battle in Delaware, clearing the way for Lupin's affordable drug to stay on US shelves. This is a big win for Lupin and for patients who need access to this treatment. The case highlights the importance of generic drug makers in making essential medicines accessible. Lupin's victory shows the strength of Indian pharma on the global stage. The US is a crucial market, and this deal secures Lupin's revenue and reputation. Now, Lupin can focus on delivering its medication to those who need it most. This story is about more than just business. It's about persistence, strategy, and patient access. The ripple effects will be felt across the healthcare industry. It's a major commercial milestone for Lupin. The agreement allows both companies to move forward confidently. We'll be watching closely as this story continues to impact millions. Stay tuned for what this means for patients and the industry. Let's talk about overactive bladder, or OAB. OAB causes a sudden, frequent urge to urinate, disrupting daily life for millions. Managing OAB is crucial for quality of life. Mirabegron, the drug at the center of this story, offers a new approach. It relaxes the bladder muscle, allowing it to hold more urine and reducing urgency. For many, this means real relief from symptoms. The original brand, Mirabegron, was developed by Astellas and has helped countless people. Before Mirabegron, older OAB drugs often caused side effects like dry mouth and constipation. Mirabegron's different side effect profile made it a welcome alternative. More treatment options mean more personalized care for patients. Access to affordable generics like Lupin's Mirabegron is vital. It's not just about comfort, it's about dignity and freedom. For many, this drug means regaining control over their lives. That's why making Mirabegron accessible matters so much. Affordable generics improve health and well-being on a massive scale. Let's meet the two companies at the heart of this deal. Lupin Limited, based in Mumbai, is one of India's largest and most respected drug makers, with a global reach. Founded in 1968, Lupin has grown from making vitamins to producing a wide range of medicines, including generics. Astellas Pharma, headquartered in Tokyo, is a major Japanese company focused on innovative medicines. Astellas developed Mirabegron and holds the original patent. The relationship between innovators like Astellas and generics like Lupin is central to pharma. Innovators invest billions in new drugs. Generics make them affordable once patents expire. This creates natural tension. Innovators want to protect their inventions. Generics want to increase access. In this case, Astellas defended its Mirabegron patent, while Lupin challenged it to bring its version to the US. Such legal battles are common and high stakes. They determine when patients get access to affordable medicines. Here, both companies found middle ground with a settlement. The deal sets clear rules, letting both move forward strategically. It's a classic example of how pharma's push-pull dynamic works. The outcome benefits both business and patients. This agreement is a model for future industry negotiations. To understand this story, let's talk patents. A patent gives a company exclusive rights to a new drug for about 20 years. This exclusivity lets innovators recoup the huge costs of research and development. Developing a new drug can take over a decade and billions of dollars. Patents protect that investment, but also set the stage for future competition. Generic companies like Lupin often challenge these patents to bring cheaper versions to market sooner. These legal battles, called patent litigations, are a normal part of the system. In the US, a Paragraph 4 filing is a direct challenge to a drug's patent. This process balances innovation with access. Patents reward discovery. Challenges ensure monopolies don't last forever. The result? Lower-cost generics reach patients faster. The Lupin and Astellas settlement is one such resolution. It shows how the system can work for both innovation and access. Ultimately, patients and healthcare systems benefit from this balance. What did the settlement achieve? It ended a costly, uncertain legal fight between Lupin and Astellas over Mirabegron's patent. Now, Lupin can keep selling its generic Mirabegron in the US, a huge win. The company launched its generic in late 2023, but this new deal removes the last legal threat. The details are private, but the outcome is clear. Lupin's product stays on shelves. This secures a vital revenue stream for Lupin. Settlements like this are common in pharma and often benefit both sides. Astellas gets closure and possibly compensation. Lupin gets certainty. Both avoid the risk and expense of a drawn-out court battle. For patients, the result is continued access to affordable medicine. The market gains stability, and competition remains strong. This is a win-win for business and public health. The agreement sets a precedent for future patent disputes. It's a practical solution that keeps medicine accessible. The settlement had an immediate impact on Lupin's business. Investors responded with enthusiasm. Lupin's stock hit a record high. The market sees this as a major victory, boosting confidence in Lupin's future. The US market for Mirabegron is huge, over $2.4 billion in annual sales. Even a small share means hundreds of millions in revenue for Lupin. This stable income lets Lupin invest in new drugs and expand globally. For Astellas, generics mean lower sales for Mirabegron, but the settlement provides clarity and possible compensation. Both companies can now plan for the future. Lupin's generic Mirabegron becomes a key product. The deal strengthens Lupin's position as a global player. Astellas can focus on developing its next wave of innovative drugs. The financial world sees this as a smart, forward-looking move. The settlement's ripple effects will shape both companies' strategies. It's a textbook example of how legal resolutions can drive business growth. This story shows why generics matter. Generic drugs are identical to brand-name drugs in active ingredients, dosage, and safety, but cost much less. They're only sold after patents expire or are challenged, as Lupin did. The biggest benefit is affordability. Generics can cost 80% less than brand-name drugs. This makes life-changing treatments accessible to millions. Lower prices mean more people get the care they need. Healthcare systems and insurers save billions by using generics. Those savings can fund other medical services. Generics are a cornerstone of modern healthcare, ensuring access for all. Lupin's Mirabegron is a prime example, helping reduce costs for patients and the US healthcare system. Increased competition benefits consumers. Generics democratize medicine, breaking down cost barriers. They're vital for a fair, effective healthcare system. This isn't just Lupin's win, it's a milestone for Indian pharma. Indian companies are known for high-quality, affordable generics and supply much of the world's medicine. Navigating the US patent system is tough, but Lupin's success shows Indian firms can compete globally. Taking on a major Japanese company in a US court and winning demonstrates real sophistication. This inspires other Indian companies to challenge patents and enter lucrative markets. Each victory builds industry confidence and encourages investment in research and legal expertise. The sector moves up the value chain, from manufacturing to strategic global competition. Success brings foreign revenue, high-skilled jobs, and boosts India's reputation for safe, effective medicines. This settlement is another chapter in India's rise as a pharma powerhouse. It's about ambition, expertise, and making healthcare accessible worldwide. Lupin's win sets a blueprint for others to follow. The industry's global influence continues to grow. It's a story of progress for Indian pharma and global health. As we wrap up, this agreement is a victory on many fronts. Most importantly, patients in the US will keep access to affordable Mirabegron. For those with chronic conditions, lower drug costs mean better quality of life. Lupin's win secures its place in the world's largest pharma market. The company's stock surge shows investor confidence in its strategy. This success cements Lupin's status as a global leader. The story highlights the balance between innovation and access. We need innovators like Astellas and strong generics like Lupin to keep medicine affordable. This settlement shows the system working, rewarding innovation, then opening the door to competition. It's a story of progress, with real benefits for millions of patients. Lupin's win is more than a headline. It's a milestone for healthcare access. The future of medicine is more accessible thanks to deals like this. That's a story worth celebrating.